Hey guys, today me try understand debt refinancing, and me already feel brain melt. Picture this, me, caveman, sitting in modern hut, holding strange glowing paper from bank tribe. Me squint eyes, paper say something about adjusted interest rate and monthly payment increase. Me heart race, me think this glowing paper some kind of hex, maybe debt demon angry, I forget to sacrifice roasted mushroom last moon. So me run to wife, she say, you know pay attention when we get loan, now we suffer. Then she go back to watching small glowing box with talking faces. Me not understand how she calm, me feel like whole mammoth just sit on chest. Me walk outside, scream at sky, shake fist at thunder god. Then neighbor, ugly Joe, yell from other cave, refinance you idiot. Me yell back, you no call caveman idiot Joe? What mean refinance? Sound like scam. He throw rock at me and say, it mean get better deal so you stop crying like baby squirrel. Me pause, better deal, on same debt? Why no one say this sooner? But listen, fellow fire sitters, if you no learn this refinance magic, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit. Bank tribe no care if you wear loincloth, they still want payment. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick. But only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. So after neighbor Joe throw rock of wisdom, me take deep breath, open second glowing paper called Google, and type question like this, what is debt refinance? First answer say, refinancing is when you replace an existing loan with a new one, usually with better terms. Me stare at sentence like it insult my ancestors. Me think, wait, so me borrow firewood from tribe. Then instead of returning firewood, me borrow different firewood to pay old firewood, and call that smart? Sound like making mammoth stew to pay back mammoth stew. Caveman brain hurt. But wife say, no dummy, you not just trade old loan for new one, you try get loan with lower interest rate, smaller payment, or faster payoff so you save goats in long run. Aha, so not magic, just math. Like this, if me owe 10 goats at 12% yearly goat tax, and new loans say only 6% goat tax, that mean me pay fewer goats over time. Or, if me struggle to feed goats every moon, refinance let me stretch repayment so me pay slower but smaller, like slicing big fish into many tiny fish for supper. And sometimes weird human world let you pull out cash during refinance. Me ask banker, you give me money while I still owe money? Banker say yes, caveman faint. So, debt refinance not witchcraft, it's just trading old debt agreement for new one. Hopefully one that suck less. But me learn fast. Just because you can refinance, no mean you should. Some loans are like ugly rock. You polish all day, still ugly. Still, now caveman curious. Me think, if so many humans do this, maybe it's smart. Caveman start noticing weird pattern. Last moon, whole neighborhood tribe cry around campfire. Interest rate go up, they say. Loan crush chest. Me feel their pain. Everyone sit with sad eyes like mammoth just die. But then, boom, next moon, same tribe dance like sun god return early. They bring home new firewood, shiny cave upgrades, and one even get metal beast with 4 rolling stones. Me ask you rob bank, they laugh, no caveman, we refinanced, aha. Again this strange word, caveman confused. How turning loan into new loan suddenly make you rich? They explain, some tribe members refinance to lower their interest rate. Old loan charge them 10% every year. New loan only ask 5%, that save many goats over time. Others shorten their loan, from 30 winters to 15 winters. Now they pay more each moon, but debt disappear faster than spear through fish belly. Me nod, respect. Some even stretch loan longer, so each moon's payment smaller, like chewing meat slower. Less painful, but take forever. Caveman understand, good if you no want choke. Then one sneaky warrior say he cash out refinance, took more loan than he owe, and used extra money to build second hut. Now he rent it to travelers from neighboring tribe. Cavemen impressed, him use debt to make more fire, Caveman brain melt again. Refinancing, not just money game, it's status dance. Neighbor with lowest interest rate become alpha of cave circle. Everyone whisper, he get 4.5% on mortgage, very powerful. So now me jealous. Cavemen want shiny numbers too. But me learn something deep. Refinancing not just about saving goats, it about control. Tribe want freedom, want peace, want loan that not strangle throat every moon. Caveman understand. But that when me make big mistake. So caveman, me get excited. Me think, refinance so simple. Just trade one lone rock for another, save goats, become cave legend. So me find flyer from rival banker tribe. Flyer have shiny colors, big words like no fees and super low rates. It feel like banana too ripe to ignore. Caveman bite, me call rival banker. He speaks smooth like snake in silk loincloth. He say, caveman, we give you introductory rate. Only 2.9%, lowest in village, no cost to switch. You sign now, yes? Me no ask questions. Me just grunt and slap muddy fingerprint on glowing contract. Me proud. Me think wife going to dance around fire. At first, me feel like chief. New payment small, lower than before. Cavemen strut around, tell neighbors, me financial warrior now. But then second moon come and third and payment go up and up and up. Turns out introductory rate was just trap. After few moons, interest shoot up to 9%. Plus me discover closing costs hidden in back of contract. Me pay appraisal fee, origination fee, lender fee, magic rock fee, everything but please stop fee. Me also find out, me extend loan from 20 winters to 30 winters. So yes, each moon's payment smaller, but total debt, bigger. Way more goats in long run. Then worst happen. Wife read fine print. She say, caveman, you refinance without me, with rival tribe? Me say, but honey, rate was shiny. She say, so is poisonberry. Now she sleep in separate cave. Me sit alone, surrounded by debt and flyer that now used to start fire. Lesson? Refinancing without understanding equals trading one mammoth for hungry lion. Just because deals sound good, no mean it help you. But good news, caveman survive, just barely. Time to learn real tricks. After refinancing disaster nearly destroy marriage and hut, cavemen wander forest in shame. There, under ancient baobab tree, me meet tribe elder. Wise wrinkled smell like bark tea. Him name, Elder Apricus. Me grunt, elder, me refinance and now owe more goats. Wife hate me, fire cold. What me do wrong? Elder squint through hairy eyebrows. You no compare rates, young fool. You chase shiny number like squirrel chase wind. He grab big stick, draw symbols in dirt. Me see two loans. Loan A, 3% interest, 30 winters, but $12,000 in fees. Loan B, 3.5% interest, 20 winters, $2,000 in fees. Elders say, you stare at interest rate, but true cost is APR, annual percentage rate. It include all sneaky costs. He tap loan A. This one, pretty face, ugly heart. Then tap loan B. This one, honest, strong, like good wife. Me blink. So lower interest not always better? Elder laugh. You learning loan is like spear. Look sharp, but handle may be rotten. You must compare full thing, rate, term, fees, all of it. He then pull out rectangle stone, magic device humans call phone, and show caveman loan comparison calculator. Caveman amazed. Device tell him total cost of loan over time. Use tools, elders say. Don't trust mouth of banker, trust math of stone. He add one more thing. Always check if loan fixed or variable rate. Fixed stay same, variable change like river snake, nice one day, bite next. Caveman scribble on cave wall that night. Don't chase low rate, chase right rate. Now caveman wiser. No more picking first shiny flyer, no more rival tribe loans. Next time caveman compare. Like choosing best mammoth to ride. Not just fattest one, but one that won't throw you into river. Caveman returned to hut. Wife still angry, but caveman determined to win back honor. Not with flowers, but with financial wisdom. This time, caveman seek help from young banker woman. Her name, Retina. Sharp mind, sharper eyes, probably smell weakness like hyena. Cavemen say, me want refinance again, but smart this time. She raise eyebrow. Why? Caveman say, because, better number? She shake head. Wrong answer. You must know exactly why or you fall in same hole twice. Then she draw 3 symbols in dirt. 1, rate and term refinance. You keep same loan amount but change the interest rate or loan length. Good if rate drop or you want faster payoff. 2, cash out refinance. You borrow more than you owe and take the difference in cash. Good if you need money for home upgrade or to fight rival tribe, only if you're not dumb. 3, debt consolidation refinance. You combine multiple debts into one. If done smart, it simplify payments and lower total cost. If done dumb, it bury you in new bigger problem. Caveman scratch chin. So if me refinance without clear reason, me just spinning like lost warrior? She nod. Refinance with no goal like hunting mammoth with no spear. You chase but never catch. Me ask, what about emotional refinance? Me want feel better. She glare. That not a loan type, caveman. Caveman sigh. Okay, me want smaller payments so me afford mushroom pizza every moon. She smile. Ah, that's valid goal. But remember, you stretch payment, you pay more in long run. Understand trade-off. Lesson hit caveman hard. Goal must guide refinance. Not greed, not panic, not neighbor's shiny hut. If caveman had known this before, he no end up cold, broke, and sleeping on log. So now every time he consider new loan, he ask, why me do this? What me actually want? Not just me want less pain now, but will this help me win war later? Just when cavemen feel smart, like him finally understand whole loan jungle, bam, another trap. This time, cavemen almost fall into what tribe elders call closing costs. You see, cavemen find new loan, look shiny, rate lower, term shorter. Cavemen think, yes, me finally refinance like champion. But then banker hand over scroll with words like underwriting fee, processing fee, title search fee, courier fee, and this real one, flood certification fee. Cavemen no even live near water. What flood? Turns out refinancing come with many hidden costs. Some are normal, some are sneaky. All of them eat your goats. Cavemen storm back to Retina, the banker lady. Why nobody say refinance have price tag? She calm, she kind, she explain. Yes, most refinances come with closing costs, usually 2 to 6% of loan amount. That means if you refinance a $200,000 loan, you may pay $4,000 to $12,000 up front or roll into new loan. Caveman jaw drop. So even when me save on rate, me still spend treasure? She nod. Exactly, that's why you must do math. Then she teach cavemen sacred art, break-even calculation. You ask, how many months will it take for monthly savings to equal what you spent to refinance? She write, if refinancing saves you $200 per month and it costs $6,000 to do it, break even equals $6,000 for $200 equals 30 moons months. So if you plan to move before 30 moons, she say, you actually lose, you waste money, you feed snake under rock. Caveman grab stone, carve wisdom into wall. Don't just look at savings, look at how long savings take to beat the price of switching. Because cavemen now understand, refinancing is not free. You trade short-term cost for long-term gain, but only if you stay long enough to collect. Now cavemen cautious, like hunters sniffing wind before charging. No more blind signing, no more shiny bait. From now on, cavemen lift rock and check for snake. After all the lessons, all the rock traps, and all the glowing paper with fine print so tiny it could fit on ant forehead, cavemen sit by fire, thinking. Wife come sit beside him, she no angry anymore. She say, you learn much, but what you decide now? Caveman stare into flame, then say something he never thought possible. Maybe, caveman no refinance. Wife raise eyebrow. You hit head again? Caveman shake head. No, me realize, sometimes best move is no move. Because now cavemen understand, refinancing is tool, not solution. Not every loan need changing, not every problem fixed by swapping one debt for another. Sometimes, staying with old loan makes more sense, especially if you already have good rate and low fees. You almost done paying it off. You plan to leave hut soon, or the cost of refinancing too high. Cavemen think of tribal warrior, Big Bongo, who tried to refinance 5 times in 2 years. Bongo always chasing new rate, always paying fees, always resetting loan clock. Now Bongo still in debt and also no teeth. Unrelated spear accident, but still poor Bongo. Cavemen talk to quiet neighbor, one who never dance, never boast, but always have peace. He say, me no refinance. Me just pay loan steady. Me almost done. No drama. That stick in caveman heart. Refinancing not about flexing, not about showing off shiny number. It about making choice that serve you, not stress you. So caveman do final review. He check loan. Still decent rate, payment manageable. Only 5 winners left. Break-even point too far away. Wife now proud. So caveman do nothing. And in that nothing, find peace. He sit with warm fire, no more glowing letters from rival tribes, no more sneaky fees hiding in stone scrolls. Cavemen finally understand true power, knowing when to act and when to stay still. Cavemen finally understand true power, knowing when to act and when to stay still. Now cavemen sit with little one in lap, small hands, big eyes. Youngling say, Papa, what refinance mean? Cavemen smile. He think back to all the moons, the panic of bank scrolls, the shame of wife sleeping in separate cave. The wisdom from Elder Apricus, the glare of retina when caveman mentioned emotional refinance, the pain of hidden snake fees, the peace of not refinancing at all. Then cavemen say, refinance mean trading your old promise for new one, but only when new promise help you walk lighter, not heavier. Youngling blink. That sound like riddle, caveman nod. Good, truth often wear riddle clothes. Now cavemen no longer scared of bank scrolls. Now cavemen understand that refinancing is a hunt, a tricky one. Not every prey worth chasing, not every low number worth the danger. Sometimes the best warrior is not the one who charges first, but the one who waits, watches, and chooses wisely. So if you're watching this and you in Lone Forest, remember, refinancing can be powerful spear, but use wrong, it cut your own foot. Use right, it bring peace to your cave. Either way, don't rush, don't guess, don't let shiny flyer trick your brain. Ask why, do math, lift rock, sniff for snake. Caveman proud now, fire warm, wife happy, debt calm. All because he finally asked the oldest question, does this help me? Or just look like it might. If caveman help you not fall in refinance hole, smash like button with your strongest finger and tap magic scribe stick to hear more wisdom from hairy man who still fear online banking. Tell caveman in comments, what refinance story make your fire turn cold? Or just grunt ooga booga if you still confused. That okay too. Cavemen love you. Stay warm, stay smart, ooga booga.